Welcome to a coring site unlike any other. Located in the historical city of Melaka, this bungalow construction project pushed both man and machine to their limits. The task? To core multiple holes through grade 30 concrete, reinforced with not one, but 2 layers of rebar. Reinforcement varied across the structure, ranging from Y10 to Y25, depending on the area. This was not a job for just any machine. To meet the demands of this site, the contractor turned to a name trusted worldwide, Shibuya. They deployed the Shibuya TS-255 core drill, paired with the precision forged YS1BN 4-inch core bit, both proudly made in Japan. What many people don't realize is this. Every Shibuya core drill is individually assembled by experienced Japanese engineers, craftsmen who have dedicated their careers to ensuring flawless reliability, precision, and durability. From motor calibration to gear alignment, every unit is hand-checked to meet rigorous Japanese industrial standards. And the performance on site? Outstanding. One of the deepest and toughest holes, measuring 320 millimeters deep with 2 layers of heavy rebar, was completed in just 4 minutes and 49 seconds using the YS1BN core bit. That's not just speed, it's efficiency, consistency, and engineering excellence at work. Hole after hole, the YS1BN bit maintained its sharpness, while the TS-255 core drill delivered steady power with minimal vibration. For the site team, this wasn't just about getting the job done. It was about getting it done right, with equipment they could trust, backed by decades of Japanese innovation. So whether you're drilling through high-grade concrete, dense rebar, or both, Shibuya delivers. Reliable, precise, engineered for professionals who settle for nothing but the best. Shibuya, made in Japan, trusted worldwide. Performance you can feel, quality you can see.